we have some beef chuck riblets. These aren't very expensive. Of course, there's not a lot of meat on them. And we're going to try these. We'll get them out of this package, clean them up, season them up, and put them in the smoker. Now we'll trim some of this fat off. There isn't a whole lot of fat on these, but we're going to trim off this fat, and then we'll pull the membrane off. Now on these riblets, that membrane isn't very thick. It's pretty thin, as a matter of fact, and it comes off really easy. And we'll get this end, get the knife under there so I can grab a hold of it. And like I said, it's really easy to pull off of there. Now on beef ribs, some like to leave the membrane on, some like to take it off. This being that thin and the riblets, I took it off. Now we'll get the membrane off of this one, get it cleaned up, and then we'll season them. And we'll have the membrane off of these ribs in just a short order. And there we have it. And we'll trim a little fat off of these ribs. Not a whole lot of extra fat on there. Okay, I think they're ready for seasoning. Now, first off, I'm going to use kosher salt and sprinkle all over. And here we add some garlic pepper. And with the kosher salt, that basically gives us our SPG. Salt, pepper, and garlic. And now we're going to add a little more just black pepper. Sprinkle it about on these a little bit more. Well, I believe we're going to call that good. Now I have water in the lower pan, and I put a pan right under the ribs to catch the drippings, and also added water to it. Oh, I'm telling you, they're looking really good. Okay, the internal temperatures hit about 170 degrees. We're going to wrap them up and place them back in the smoker and bring that temperature up to about 198 degrees. Well, we pull them from the smoker. We're going to take a quick look at them and see what they look like. Well, now those are looking pretty good. I think we're going to wrap them back up and let them rest for a while. Okay, they've rested for a while. Now I think it's time to cut them up. Boy, they sure look good. Hey, now that's got a nice smoke ring. Looks good. These smell delicious. Now I tell you what, them look pretty good and I can't wait to get into them. Now we've unwrapped these, we're going to cut these up. Hey, and then I'm ready to eat. I do wish I would have brought them on up to an internal temperature of 205. I think they'd have been a lot more tender. They were good and tender, but not as tender as I would like them. Now those are some tasty looking ribs. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.